Alright, it's recording. Hey, this is the first video. We're gonna try it again. I'm gonna show the boobs last time, so, and hey, can't use that one. Come on, baby, uncover your face. She's hiding under the cover. She just got a new phone, HTC, and it sucks. It's not as good as the iPhone. That's what she wants. What are you doing? You playing with your phone?
My phone is the shit, bitch.
Your phone is shit. Your phone is shit. Not the shit. It's just shit, baby. All right. Where's Shelby? Shelby, what are you doing? That's Shelby. She was sleeping. Go back to sleep, baby. Go back to sleep. Go back to sleep. Okay, baby.
Why can't you just watch your videos with music,
What?
lyrics, like everybody else does?
Because, man, nobody wants to hear music. They want to see a blog.
No.
Yeah. I'm going to make a blog.
The only thing I get on
So,
YouTube for is to look up freaking music.
no, I'm going to talk shit about you and make a video of while you're going to work, and it's going to be my blog about Angel's a bitch. That's going to be the blog. That's what it's going to be called. You heard me? I'm just playing, baby. I love you. I'm talking about how much I love you, and that's going to be the blog. Look, I made it hot pink. Look at it. Well, can't see because the monitor's too bright. But I made it hot pink just for you, baby. Because I love you. All right.
Wait.
What?
Kids paint.
Kids paint. What are you talking about? Let me see. What are you talking about, kids
Spider-Man!
paint? What? Huh?
Oh, man.
Oh, there's apps?
Yeah, I'm looking at games.
Does it have a lot of apps?
There's a bajillion. I can't ever find the end of them.
Oh, man.
And I just keep scrolling, and they just keep coming up.
Don't even know what you're looking at.
No.
Guitar
Hero, what the fuck? Install.
What, Guitar Hero?
Yep.
Can you play? Is it a demo or the game? Don't download no demo, man. It's a demo. Yeah. You're not getting that for free. You can't. Don't buy it, bro. Don't buy no apps.
I'm not. I'm on top 3.
All right.
I'm not
It's gonna be number demo.
Whack-a-mole.
Whack-a-mole demo. All right.
Shoot the duck.
Well, we'll see y'all next time. It was good for the first video.